Nasusunod na may kayo kung
Labing isa ka, labing isa.
Sabi ko yan, hindi ka nakapag-friend sa kanila.
Okay? First call po natin. Sa automats. Luna. Number 34, Paulan.
Laki ah.
10 to shoot. Tulang, number 24, Tutaka.
Wala na
10 seconds, 11 to shoot, 11.
Wala na basan.
10 to shoot. Tulang. So good.
Si MJ.
Tutakalos. Uy. 10 seconds to shoot.
Walang kahalang. Walang pahinga, ha? Huwag kayo walang pahinga.
5 to shoot. Rebound by number 29. Tubaryon. Tumakalad. Nagod. Rebound by Takalos. To Luna. Luna, 2 points by Luna.
Sabi ko na eh.
Out of bounds. Kaninang bola. Green. Luna.
Sino lumabas?
To Takalos. Forma. Titiras Takalahok. Takalos. Steal. Steal by Makalalad.
Bibilis na ano.
Tubaryon.
Interest mo na. Eh, inaagawa kayo eh.
Good fake.
Tres.
Tubaryon. No good. Rebound by Luna. Silawin. To Luna. No good.
Yun.
Rebound by Lopez. Tumakalala. Rebound by Takalos. Ang bibilis mo ito.
Bibilis. Mabilis talaga ako.
Tulang. To Takalos. 15 seconds to shoot. To Luna. No good.
Black ball.
Black ball.
Wala pa.
Lopez. Air ball.
Ay, pero dito ulit.
Takalos. To Luna.
Up. Up. Card. Hindi.
10 seconds to shoot.
Tawa sila play.
Basket by Takalos.
Uy, lovely. May nabili sa tindahan nyo.
Makalalad. Makalalad. No good. Offensive rebound by Lopez. Lopez no good. Rebound by Luna. To Takalos. To Luna. 10-3. No good. Offensive rebound by Takalos. To Pangulan. To Luna. 2 points by Luna. Lawin. 6-0. Baryon, no good. Takalos. To Luna. To Tula. Uy! Luna, 2 points. Time out. Good boys. Official score, 8-0. Time remaining 3 and 57. Duha po, 2 Marion. No good. Offensive rebound by number 18. To Duhampo. Attempt 3. No good. 2 points by number 29, Villanueva. 8-2. Villanueva still by Takalos. Takalos. To Luna. Luna, no good. Rebound by Duhampo.
Pare, bilay, bilay, bilay.
To number 18, 2 points by Garcia.
Shout out kay Bruce. Bangko! Wala, dinig ako.
Tulang, 2 points by Tulang, number 34.
Sogo.
1 minute and 50.
Shout out ka muna.
No good. Out of bounds.
Sa pagkain yun, no?
14 to shoot.
No.
Hindi ko magkakain ng ganyan.
14 ulit, 14 to shoot. 1 minute and 30. 10 seconds to shoot. Luna, Lawin. To Takalos. 2 points by Takalos. 1 minute and 20. 12-4. Wala po lamang. Marion. Still. 1 minute and 10.
Wala, kuhang highlights si Tulang din eh. Kuhang highlights.
Wow! Taka 2 points. 1 minute. 55 seconds. No good. Villanueva, block by Taka. Garcia, no good. Marion, wala. 2 points by Marion. 40 seconds.
Sayang.
35. Luna, 3 points. 30 seconds. 76. 25. De Ocampo, no good. Rebound by Luna. The shot clock is up. 20 seconds. 15. 10. 5. End of the first quarter. Official score 17-8. 9-point lead by Automans.
Shout out sa mga bangko dyan.
Okay, second quarter. Bola ng block.
Hindi ka daw nagre-reply.
Block 10. 7. Gagawin. Katawan. Nasa isang bola? Isang bola? Nasa isa?
Wala na, ang bola.
Yun, nasa loob pala. Ready? Oh,
Yan! Bruce! Parang gusto mo sa ilan nakatutok ang camera?
$14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Basket by Pangbulan.
Wala nga, ang dami niyong pang my day.
Duhampo. Number 1. Air ball. Luna, no good. Uy, walang tao daw tulang. Okay. Black ball, black. No good. Rebound by Taka.
Yon!
Tubiduya.
Ayaw.
Tutulang. Tuluna. Luna, no good. Uy! Tulang, no good. Rebound by Casalme. No Campo. No good. Rebound by Luna. Oy, out of bounds.
Para may pang may day ka na, teka kapaglabas ng bola.
Yun, din na, magtutuyo din na. Pwede di parbo. Parbo.
Parang tawagin ko, nasa bisa.
Tulang, 2 points. Steal. Wala ng kana. Basket. Ba. 23-8. Wala ng kana ang itim ah. Yun, Casalme. 2 points by Casalme, number 7. 23-10. Taka no good. Do Campo, attempt 3. No good. Yun, Reyes, 2 points. Dead ball. Tatak mo nga. 4 minutes and 20.
Yun!
4 minutes and 10. Reyes to the Campo. Ay! 2 points by Reyes. 23-14. 4 minutes. Luna, no good. Offensive reverse by Luna. 2 points by Luna. 3:50. Do Campo. Ay, lala. Rebound by Luna. Tupanghulan. Tubiduya.
Pang my day. Sala.
Rebound by Casalme. Do Campo, 3 points. 25-17. At ang mga substitution rep, substitution.
Putang na nyo, Butchoy. Huwag kayo mag-send sa GC nyo.
Luna, no good. Makalalat, no good. Rebound by Luna. Tutulang. Ano? So good.
Ano ba yun?
14 to shoot. Nauwi. 2 minutes and 56. 2 and 56. 25-17. Makalalad. To Reyes. Nakakuha ng foul kay number 28. Jack Carlos. First foul by Jack Carlos. First team foul by Automags.
Hoy, Aset, huwag ka mag-send sa GC. Wala sama mong lalaki.
Reyes. Good. Titito na. Lastro. No good. Reyes. Liliba na yan. 2 minutes and 40.
Panganib!
35.
Panganib yan!
Nakakuha naman free throw.
Ano yan?
Number 17. Hunter. First foul. 2 free throws.
Paring Bruce, pang my day. Nakasumpa.
First throw. Good.
Are, nakasum rin, nakasum.
Last throw.
Naku po.
No good. Hunter. Tuwasalve, air ball. Okay, Martes ng ating game. 26-20. Martes na, hanggang Liguli yun. Bituya. Tutulang. Tulang, turn around. No good. Offensive rebounds by Luna to Takalos. 2 points by number 28. 1 minute and 55. Reyes. Tumasalme. Foul by number 4, Biduya. First foul by Biduya. Second team foul, Automax. 1 minute and 30 seconds.
Ay, sila
Air ball. One and 24. Panghulan. Air ball. Oy, oy.
Walo.
28-20. Wawala naman, walo.
Walo po.
Kulanala, 3 points.
Lilima na, lilima na.
1 minute. Uy, basket break lang.
Nang, wala nga, pang may day.
50 seconds. Foul by number 34. First foul. 13 foul. 47 seconds. Kasalme, no good. Last throw by Kasalme. Good. 47. 45. Still 40 seconds. Reyes 3 points. Tatakbo na lamang. 30 seconds. Bituya. Inano si Hunter? No good. The chef ng isa. 20 seconds. Kasalme. Dito ang pangalan.
Parang pinatatama naman sa ringin.
10 seconds. Basket.
Bali daw.
5. And out of second
Ayaw ko na.
32-27 official score. Lima, lima.
Check ko mo.
Green ball. Luna, Lugod, number 29. To Campo, to Marion. To Campo, to Marion. Marion, Lugod. Lopez. Lugod. Bawat is to shoot. 3 balls by To Campo. Dadalwa na yan, dadalwa na. Steal.
Ayaw. Painom mo pa. Lamang kayo.
Luna.
Wala sa kanila.
To Luna. Basket by Luna. Barion to Villanueva. Out of bounds. Taka. Taka to Luna, to brother. No good, rebound by Barion. To Villanueva, to Diocampo. Diocampo.
Wow!
To bounce by Diocampo.
Idol ko yan eh. Idol ko yan.
Akala ko yung ganda ng kulay. Akala ko yung ganda ng kulay na. Hindi. Sino yan?
15
To shoot. Luna, 2 points by Luna. Six minutes. Still. And the one, the shot is counted. Foul by number 21, Lopez. Lopez. First foul. First foul. Bonus shot by Luna. Good. 39-32. Diocampo, no good. Rebound by
Yan, Mendoza.
to Luna.
Hirap siya lumaro din. Maliit lang naman ang
15 to shoot. 10. Offensive foul. Offensive foul number 20. Luna. Taka. First foul. First team foul. Barion. To Diocampo. No good. Offensive rebound by. No good again. Rebound by Luna.
Aray, kay Paradel!
To Mendoza.
Panilikdangan eh.
To Asinas. Asinas. No good. Offensive rebound by Taka.
Isa pa, Paradel!
10 to shoot. And the one. The shot is counted. Foul by number 29.
Lugi.
Villanueva. Substitution ref. First foul, second team foul. Pasok. Sige, okay na.
Bo.
First, ball shot by Taka. Complete, 3 points. 10 po ka naman, 10. 42-32. Marion. Tundi Ocampo. Tumakalalad. Makalalad, dribbling, mix up. Lampas. Marion. Makalalad. Rebound by Luna.
Nablecher.
Tumasinas. Luna, 2 points. Balik po sa 12 ang kalamangan. 4 minutes.
Napapagod si Edeling kakalista.
15 to shoot.
Yan na! Bag!
Marion. Black ball, 16 to shoot. 16 to shoot. Three and 10. Makalalad.
Bakit kayo?
15 to shoot. Yun ang bola.
Ano ba ang buko? Ito, Ming. Ito ang buko.
Wala na po.
Wala na?
Oh, yung ano po.
Basket. By number 29. 47-34.
29 labang.
13. Luna. Tuasinas. Uy. Mendoza. 2 points by Mendoza. 2 minutes and 15. No good. Rebound by Luna. Foul by number 9, Makalalat. Substitution ref. Sige, pasok. Pasok. Sige, pasok. Okay, patuloy na raw. 2 minutes tayo, 2 minutes.
Gawin nyo ng 5.
49-34, Mendoza. Binabaw pa. Reyes. To Hunter. 1 minute and 45, 15 seconds to shoot. Reyes, no good. Rebound by Luna. To Mendoza. Mendoza. Basket by Mendoza. 1 minute and 30. Foul by number 23. First foul by number 23. Second team foul, Automax. 1 minute and 18. Barion. To Hunter. Hunter. Luna. One minute. Isang minuto. Reyes, 3 points. 51-37. Natorsi mo rin po kalamangan. 50 seconds. 45 seconds. 15 to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Still by Hunter. 5 seconds to shoot. Wow, wala pumatay. Basket. 25 seconds, 25. Hunter? 15 seconds, 15.
Mag-amuy.
15 seconds. Ten! 3 points by Reyes. 5! Basket.
Yan na!
End of the third quarter. Official score, 55-40. Kalahati po kalamangan, kalahati.
Fourth quarter na yan, ha?
Okay, pasok, good luck. Fourth quarter. Luck, pasok. Mamili na kayo kung sino papasok. Pare, rules, hindi pwede paliin nun. Three points, Perez! Talagang yan ang pumatay sulog eh. Yan lagi na ako, dodosi na. Dakalos. Still, yung mahasipot talaga si Reyes. Garcia to Reyes, sila tap sa press. Airball, oy! Black ball. 40 to shoot, 40 to shoot. Black ha? Still. Lugod, Kasalme. Nakadino po lang, Kasalme again. Basket. Sasampu niyan. Pangbulan. Lugod. Rebound by Hunter. 7 7 minutes. Reyes! No good. Ay, foul, number 18. Garcia, number 18. First foul, first team foul. Substitution. Kasal me out, di Ocampo in.
Yung si number 3. Sabi ko nga, labing isa siya.
Ay ba?
Yung malaki nila si ano, Mangubas.
Reyes to Drew Campo. Uy! Basket. Wawalo na yan. Wawalo na lang. Yun lang. Nakalos. Naka-play. Balik po sa 10 kalamangan. Wow! Uli yan. Nakalos.
Wala yung bilis ni Miko.
15 to shoot. Foul by number 18. Garcia. Substitution.
Yan na, pipigil kay Kaka.
Substitution. Si Garcia. Ng Good Boys. Second foul. 30 foul. Second team foul rather. Reyes! Wawalong na rin yan. Single digit na ang kalamangan.
Sa labing pito yan.
Submin. Damn it!
Substitution. Five and 32. Wawalo yan ha, wawalo.
Bang bang!
No good. Rebound by Taka.
Nang!
2 points by Tulang.
Player ko center
Balik
barangay.
po sa 10.
Ayan na. Sige, patrahin mo rin.
Makalalad. To the Ocampo. No good. Rebound by Biduya. Baluhag. Nakakalit na.
Oras, oras daw, oras! Go! Ito na ang pipigil kay Taka
15 to
talaga.
shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 to shoot. Uy! Na naman. Dakalos! Nakawa ng foul. Kay number 18, Garcia. Third foul. 30 foul. Substitution. Sub muna, sub.
Nanonood na eh, end mo na eh.
First throw by Dakalos. Last throw by Dakalos. Her native zone. Maalala, 3 points.
Sino nag 3 points?
Si number 9.
Wow!
Biguya, 3 points.
Kitang-kita sa live! Yan na! Yan na rin!
Maalala.
Makapatres lang. Sa naman ay 4.
To the Ocampo.
Wow, mga pasahan no?
Rebound by Taka. To Biduya. Biduya, no good. Rebound by Reyes. No good, rebound. Okay, green.
Sa'yo anak eh.
3 and 45.
Lipat na sa batibot yun.
62-52. Pagulan. Steal.
Wow!
Pas, ang galing naman. Uy, naman sayang. Luna. 3 and 25. Yung pinabaya. Ay, wala pala. 3 and 20. Reyes, no good. Rebound by Tulang. 3 and 10. Tulang. Kasalme. Kasalme. Wala ka rin.
Para pinatatama na lang sa ring.
Maalala ang talod. 2 and 50.
Uy, ano gari?
Third ball. Ayun, pasok, pasok. 12 seconds to shoot. 12.
Wala talaga player.
12 to shoot.
Ay, wag lang makapag...
2 minutes and 40. 10 to shoot. Ay, mahal sa ring.
Aray ko.
Deo Campo, to Makalalad. Makalalad, dribbling. Pass to Deo Campo. Deo Campo, tinaas ng dalawa. No, talaga.
4 minutes na po kayong tumiti.
Luna! Basket by Luna. Sige, number 7. 4 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Makalalad. Torres! 4:59 na.
1 minute and 50.
Dead ball.
Wala na.
Sige, kung nakashoot, tagasali ko kayo. Pwede yan. 1 and 40. 1 and 35. Foul. Substitution. Si 22 na Carlos. 22. 1 and 31. Lock. First foul. Jump ball. Sige, pasok na. 1 and 30. Malalad. Ba, 5 minuto lang. Yun. 1 and 20. Hey! Hunter, 3 points. Siyam na lang.
Tatlong shoot lang. Ngayon, bigay mo taka.
1 minute and 1 minute. 15 to shoot.
Tsaka hindi puro shooter ang...
10 to shoot.
Donadel! Rebound!
50 seconds.
Tres. Ay, tayo. Yun. Go, bibe.
Deo Campo. La. 40 seconds.
Sabi nung tres na lang. Tres.
Uy, may pasok. 30 seconds.
Wala na.
Yun! Hey!
Yun! 3 points. The shot clock is up. 20 seconds. 15. Okay. Wala nang bantayan. 67-55 completion score.
Magiging good student